Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today let's see how to prepare stuffed brinjal fry. This is combination of onion, garlic, peanuts, stuffing with a blend of spices which gives unique taste to this recipe. It's a lengthy process but total worth it for the end result. Let's see how to prepare this. First, heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once oil is hot, add 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Fry them well in the oil and keep them aside. Next, in the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Now fry them until they slightly change in color and keep them aside. Now, in the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 7 to 8 dry red chilies, 4 to 5 garlic pods, few curry leaves. Fry them and keep them aside to cool down. Now, take peanuts in the mixer jar and grind to a smooth powder. Then add rest of the fried spices and make a smooth powder. Now in the pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 cup of chopped onions. Fry them until they turn translucent. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything once. Allow this to cool down and make a smooth paste. Now, 2 to 3 tablespoons of prepared powder and grind it once again. Next, take the brinjals, wash them and dry them well with a paper towel or a clean cloth. Cut them as shown in the video. Check for any worms. Heat a wide pan, add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, drop the brinjals in the oil. Now close the lid and fry them until they turn soft. This takes around 5 minutes of time. Now remove the brinjals and take them onto a plate. Allow them to cool down. Once it is cooled down, take the prepared masala paste and stuff it in the brinjals as shown in the video. Stuff the paste properly, sealing the ends. Now heat a wide pan, add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil and add the stuffed brinjals to them. Fry them for 5 minutes. Add the leftover masala paste. Slightly mix it in the oil. After cooking for 5 to 10 minutes, you can see the oil started to ooze out. Now close the lid and cook for another 10 minutes. You can see the gravy is thickened and the brinjals and the stuffing is completely fried. This is onion garlic brinjal fry. Now ready to serve with hot rice. Finally garnish with coriander leaves. Serve it with sambar or rasam as a side. It tastes well with yogurt rice as well. You can see the brinjal is completely cooked, fully loaded with masalas, and the shininess on the top. Isn't this a mouth-watering recipe? Stuffed brinjal curry with spices makes it more flavorful and exotic. If you are a brinjal lover, you will surely fall in love with this recipe. So please do give it a try. Do try this recipe for your loved ones and let us know how it turned out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking, Zindagi!